Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. My cat loves treats and she loves these meaty sticks from Vitakraft. These sticks come in packs of 4. I opted for the multi-pack to get more bang for my buck, and I'm really happy that I did because my cat loves them. The sticks are soft textured, they're not as hard as a beef jerky, but they're nice and soft for your cat's teeth. I have an older cat and she has no problem biting these. They're made with meat, turkey, different ingredients, however, no artificial flavors. So you know it's not going to be bad for your pet. But best of all, as soon as you open the package, the cat comes running and it keeps her really, really happy. I can give my cat a whole one of these and she breaks it up, or I give her little pieces to split it up throughout the day. The sticks have no weird odor and I've not noticed anything affecting my cat's digestion, so I'm really happy that I opted to go with this brand because I used to go with another one that's sometimes hard to find. These are the way to go. I really am impressed with the quality of them, and of course, if your pets are impressed, that's all that really counts. And that's my point of view.